welcome to third part. In understanding how RAG applications work, we had integrated into our quiz app. So let's understand how we optimize. In last video, when we run a function for generating RAG of a quick test, so it took time. So where it is taking time, so when data is getting stored into your MongoDB, it is going to take time. And when we start querying, it will convert your data into an embedding vector, and then those embedding vector will be searched into your vector store, and then the response will be fed into LLM, and then LLM plus your response will give you the response. So it is going to take some time, so we need to think how we can optimize it. We had idea about the Kafka. So Kafka, what is do, it is like an event streaming platform. So what it do, it triggers events, and based on that event it do something in asynchronous way. Okay, so we can use that. So once user uploads, we create a topic and we can name that, and it will be done in some worker, so the main thread would not be blocked, and those data will be stored into our vector store. So one problem is solved. Second problem is, while querying, again we are creating some embedding vector, and those embedding vector will be searched into our MongoDB Vector Search. So it is also getting time. So we will be again using uh, worker or give it a topic to Kafka, and we can like track and monitor as well using the deleter queue. Let's say if it is failed, then it will be stored in a deleter queue. And let's say we have multiple documents that are going to be saved into MongoDB, and we need to convert into the vector store data. So we need to execute in a batch, small, and this will optimize our our Node.js application. So for high traffic application, we need to do it. And let's say we had continuous document update, so we need to think of these methods to optimize our code. And there could be more heavy load on the other API endpoint, so we need to like think. And if you have like multiple microservices, then definitely we need to go with the Kafka. And let's say our system is small, and we want just for the admin, and we had just used it for the admin, so we do not need it for small application, because it will add extra development time and cost, because we need to manage Kafka, and we need to understand how Kafka is working. So it increases the complexity of the application and managing the application of as well. So before like optimizing your application, you need to understand, do we need it, what kind of application we are building, what scale the chat will be. So we are basically using a chat for admin. So what, how many admins could be? 1, 2, 3. That is the maximum admin that a platform can have. So we are not going with the Kafka, but this is the understanding how we can scale our RAG application if we need to do it. Okay, and if you want the code snippet, I will provide you the code snippet as well to how to use this Kafka into your application. Okay, so we had a basic understanding of how RAG application overall works, and we had used it in the Qs app. And I guess in fourth video I will be showing you the working example where I will be chatting with my database, and it will giving me the output. Okay, so let's wait for that. And for now, you could check LLM and how we can use RAG in our application. And for more questions, you can comment it down, or you can like uh, suggest me for the other videos if you want. Yeah, thank you, bye.